Let's hear it for the couple out there.
When I'm coming home, I know she's fine, laying on the sofa and she doesn't mind anything I do or anything I say. I know she doesn't listen to my words anyway. A lazy, crazy, lolly-dolly doing her thing with Paris Hilton gowns and plastic rings. She's telling me no pardon, but telling me lies. We think I'm stupid, doesn't take my advice. She's my bum. Bum, bum, bum. She's my bum.
All right.
What an amazing night we are having, all to support Surgery on Sunday.
Dancing with the Lexington Stars continues. Brought to you by Arthur Murray Dance Studio.